Alright, we're ready to install the cylinder head. Alright guys, that's it for tonight. See you in the next video. Next we're gonna install the oil pump. I put some oil here. Alright. We're gonna install the bolts and it's tied to 10 Newton meters. It's going just like this. Very difficult to keep all the parts clean, especially that I opened this engine like 1 month ago. Now we're gonna install the oil baffle. Alright, next we're gonna install the oil pan. Da 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 di da di da di da di dum. Alright, so in this video we're gonna install the timing chain. The sprocket has this groove here, if you can see here, has to line up with this, the crankshaft. Alright, this should be the top dead center. TDC. Alright guys, so these are the marks for the balance shaft. This one right here, this is one mark, and here it's another 2 dots. This and this. This one has to be in the middle of these 2 dots. So this is one for this one. You see 3 dots here. One, two, three. Alright. This is gonna line up with the timing chain, with the link. I'm gonna show you in the video. This has to be a TDC. This one has a mark here. It's gonna line up with the chain. is gonna be a link from the chain, different color. And these ones here, this one's here, and this, and this. And another marks here. One here, one here. And we don't have the third one because that's for the oil pump. Oh, sorry. One here, and this is for the oil pump. Okay. All right, this is one. $20 Newton meters. Alright, let's see. Yep. Yes, that's good. All right, so this is on. So guys, when you install this timing chain, I saw many videos complicated, very complicated on YouTube. Just follow the dots and the spots on the chain and on the timing chain and on the sprocket on the balance shaft. Is marks everywhere. All right, so until now I did this job having the headlight on my head and I thought I have the camera. I'm sorry guys, I put already the timing chain. I'm not gonna remove it. I'm gonna explain you how I did this. So I have one mark here is lined up, and another mark here. Hopefully you can see it. So this is done. I just need to tie it to the torque specs. One mark here, and one mark here. And inside here it's another mark, which you're gonna see it in the other. I took a video with the phone here to show you this. Now we're gonna move to the main chain. This is the locking tool for the camshaft. I'm gonna put this one too. Alright, let's see how it's gonna line up this one. Alright, the idea is to be in the spots. One mark here, one mark here, one mark here. Bro. Ora let's torque the guides 20 Newton meters. All right, now let's see. Right, I'm going to pick this one, so hopefully it's gonna be good. Right. 20 Newton meters. All right, let's pull this chain a little bit. All right. Let's install the tensioner. Just like this. Okay. And tensioner, if I am not wrong, I think it's at 10. I release the timing chain. Let's install the oil pump. The oil pump chain. Alright, put this one back in. Alright, we're gonna tight the balance shaft tensioner to 85 Newton meters. let's remove the camshaft locking tool. Alright, so we have the timing chain installed. I'm gonna show you the marks. This is the mark for the camshaft for the exhaust. This is for the intake. You see the link here is different color. And right here it's another one. You see that this link, it's kind of black. And this arrow here, this mark for the main timing chain. This is for the balance shaft. This link, black link, this is the mark for the balance shaft. This is the mark for the balance shaft. It's another marks here which I showed you in previous video, or in the same video. I'm gonna put this one too. And this is another mark with this black link. Okay, and the oil pump doesn't have any mark. I forgot to put this. It's okay, it's okay. You know, when I released the tension, I saw that it's a little bit more stretch than hey. No, it's gonna go in. Come on, girl. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. All right. Let's double check now. Let's release this one too. All right, now we have the timing chain in place. Everything is lined up. Mark here, mark here. Another mark here. Mark here for the balance shafts, here, here, and that's it. Let's turn the engine 2 times. All right, let's see. Okay, so all right, it's good. Okay, this one here, this one here, this one here, this one here. Okay, let's install the timing chain cover. I put some sealant because I used the cover. I install a new seal. Ja, może być, wyszło. Tak, dawaj. Dobra, jeszcze dobrze. 70 minut.